Solution of linear equation having variable on one side. Having variable on one side. So first of all, let us deviate. Which is one side, which is two sides. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7x minus 4. 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. So in these two equations, we can find that this is equality symbol. 7x is a term, 2x is a term. So the variable x is on both the sides of the equality symbol. So we call it as the linear equation having the variable on two sides, on both the sides. 2x plus 3 is equal to 7 is a linear equation having its variable on only one side, left side, 2x plus 3. So now let us try to solve the linear equation having the variable on one side. For example, let us take that 7 by 4 minus p is equal to 11. So 7 by 4 minus p is equal to 11 is a linear equation in the variable p. And as already told, it is on one side. P is the variable on one side, on left side of the equality symbol. So 7 by 4 minus p is equal to 11. So now, first of all, what we have to do? Our aim is to find the value of p. To solve the equation means to find the value of the variable in the equation. So now in this equation, the variable is p. We have to find out the value of the variable p. So we have to kept as it is in the left hand side, not to transpose on the other side. Just you have to transpose the remaining symbols or the values, whatever it may be, to right hand side. You have to keep this minus p on this left hand side only, because we have to solve, we have to find out the value of p. So what we do, 7 by 4 is there. 7 by 4 minus p is equal to 11. So 7 by 4, what we have to do is, we have to keep this p only, so that 7 by 4 should be transformed to right hand side. So this is on positive symbol, and therefore if you transform this to right side of the equality symbol, it becomes minus. So that is, this is equal to 11 minus 7 by 4. What we have done is, 7 by 4 is transformed from left hand side to the right hand side of the equality symbol. That's what we have done. And what is there on the LHS? Minus p, not only p, minus symbol is also there. If it is plus, then you need not return the plus. But if you have a negative sign, you must write. So minus p is equal to 11 minus 7 by 4. That means you have to subtract this 7 by 4 from 11. So the LCM is 4. That is 11 4 is 44. Minus 4 gets cancelled, 7. 44 minus 7 is 37 by 4. 37 by 4. So what is 37 by 4? Minus p is 37 by 4. But you have to find out the value of the variable p, that's all. It should not be either multiplied or divided or negative symbol. We have to be purely plus p, that is positive p, that is p. So this is equal to minus 37 by 4. What we have done is, by multiplying minus on both the sides, if you multiply by minus on both the sides, minus of minus is p plus p, and here minus 37 by 4. So p is equal to minus 37 by 4. Now you can verify whether your answer is correct or not. When do you say your answer is correct? If you get LHS is equal to RHS, then you can decide that your answer is right, or otherwise you have somewhere held your fault, that is your answer is wrong. So let us verification. So for the sake of verification, what we have to do is, you have to substitute the value of p, what you got, minus 37 by 4, in the given linear equation, that is 7 by 4 as it is, minus as it is. Instead of p, what you have to write, minus 37 by 4, along with negative symbol. Here one negative symbol in the problem is also there, and again the value of p contains minus symbol. So that minus of minus 37 by 4 is equal to 11. So 7 by 4 minus of minus is plus 37 by 4 is equal to 11. So now these two are like fractions. So therefore numerators can be added. 37 plus 7 by 4 is equal to 11. So 37 plus 7 is 44 by 4 is equal to 11. 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4. So 11 is equal to 11. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore we can confirm that our answer what we got, P is equal to minus 37 by 4 is correct. Since LHS is equal to RHS. In this way we can verify our answer. And now let us have some more FR exercise, that is 7x minus 2 is equal to 9 by 2. And second one, 3x plus 4 is equal to 1 by 4. And third one, 9x plus 2 is equal to 11 by 5. Fourth one, 2x plus 9 by 4 is equal to 7x minus 1 by 7. Fifth one, 3x minus 11 by 2 is equal to 11 by 4 plus 7x. So you can see that these two problems are having the variable on both the sides, and these three problems are the variable having on one side. So in this way we have to solve. So first of all, what we have done is having the variable on one side, and now let us take on two sides linear equations having variables on two sides. Seven x minus 5 is equal to 2x. 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. You can see that the variable x is on both the sides, is lying on both the sides. 7x, x variable, 2x, x variable. Equality symbol is equal to. And now here you can find that x variable is on both the sides. So already we have learned in the previous problem, we have to take the variable on to the left side, LHS. So 7x minus 5 is equal to x means you have to take this 2x to left hand side. That means you have to transpose this 2x which is there on the RHS of this equation should be transposed to left hand side. So that the 2x becomes minus 2x, and 7x is also already there, and minus 5 is also there. And what is about here? 2x. 2x is transposed, or that is there is nothing else means 0. So 7x minus 5 minus 2x is equal to 0. Now again what we have to do? Let us simplify. 7x minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. What is 7x minus 2x? That is 5x. Minus 5 is equal to 0. So now 5x minus 5 is equal to 0 means here there is 5x, that what we have to find out, we have to solve, we have to find the variable of x is on LHS, it is right. But one more thing is minus 5 is on LHS, so that we have to transpose it on the right hand side. So that let us take this minus 5 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 5, and 5x will remain as it is. 5x means you already know, that is 5 into x is equal to 5. If you transpose this 5 to that side, it becomes divided by 5 by 5. So x remains. So 5 into 5 are 5, 5 is 5, that is 1. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. As in the previous case verified, let us also verify in this case also. That is verification. So verification, that is 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. Now for verification, what we have to do is simply substitute the value of x, the value of variable, what we got, into the given equation. So that where x is there and substitute as 1. 7 into 1 minus 5 is equal to 2x means 2 into 1. 7 into 1 is 7 minus 5 as it is. 2 into 1 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2 is equal to 2. That means LHS is equal to RHS. And therefore, LH, we got LHS is equal to RHS means it is confirmed. That is, our answer is right. In this way, we can verify our answer also. So, you have to solve all those 5 problems which are already given, and having the variable on one side 3 problems, and remaining the 4th and 5th problems are having the variables on the 2 sides. Okay.